A video clip that surfaced on social media on the 28th of January 2026 has triggered alarm after it showed a poster allegedly carrying the name of ISIS-K and warning residents in parts of the Garo Hills to leave before 2027. The 34-second footage shows a person filming a letter pasted on an electric pole containing what appears to be a threat message directed at the people of the Garo Hills. The poster reportedly claimed to have been issued by an quote, area commandant unquote, of ISIS-K identified as Aminur Islam. In the message, West Garo Hills and the plain belt areas covering Phulbari, Tikrikila, Rajabala, Saisala, Garobara and Tura were allegedly described as belonging to the group, with a warning that locals must vacate the region if they wished to remain safe. The poster further stated that the group would move to assert control over the areas and hinted at consequences if residents failed to leave before the stated deadline. No official confirmation has been issued so far regarding the authenticity of the video or the claims made in the poster.